we have a new tool that we can use. It's called SafeAssign. When you use SafeAssign, you're going to use it like you would any other assignment. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create the assignment. So I'm going to turn my editing on. I'm going to navigate over to add an activity. And I'm going to add an assignment. So I'm going to call this assignment Testing SafeAssign. And I'm going to go down. And you can set your dates if you want to. I'm going to leave it like it is right now so that I can access it immediately. And I'm going to go down to the SafeAssign Plagiarism plugin. I'm going to check the box that says check my submission with SafeAssign. Allow students to view the Originality report. You want to allow your students to view that report so that if you have a draft, they can see that it's been plagiarized, know that immediately and be able to take it down, fix it, and resubmit. I'm not going to check this box that says exclude the submissions because I want this assignment to go into my institutional database. That would be if I had two classes teaching the same course with the same assignment. I would want those to be compared here in my institution. And I want it to go into the global reference database so other institutions might be able to use it. So I'm going to hit save and return to course. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to change this to the student view. So that you can see what it would look like from the student view. So I'm going to go down to where it says Testing SafeAssign. And I'm going to add my submission. Now I have pulled a paper off of the internet. So I'm going to go in and it says that it gives, you know, some submission requirements here and tells the student that they're agreeing that their paper is to be used and stored as part of the SafeAssign services. So they're going to have to agree to this. I'm going to go down and add my file. I've put my paper on my desktop. I'm going to go in and find it and upload it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in as the instructor. And I'm going to grade that submission. So I have to find Stacy Reagan. So let's see, let me find my submission. Okay, and you can see that the report is in progress. So we're going to have to wait just a few minutes. So let's give it a minute so that it can do its report. Now we're ready to review the report. I've gone back in and clicked on my grade link. And you can see what the report looks like. It shows the red X, which tells me that this is 100% plagiarized. It tells me that if the things that are highlighted are the parts of the paper that were plagiarized. It was 100% in the institutional database. And that's also because I had put this in here before. It has 100% match, which means that, of course, since I took it off the internet, it is the exact same one. If I click on it, it shows side by side from the original source and my paper so that you can see what it looked like originally. You can also see the submission ID, the attachment ID at the bottom. You can see where, on the date that it was submitted. So it has a pretty good report with it. I'm not used to dealing with these things because I teach math, but you can see the things that are here. If I click on that one, it tells me the original source, and it shows me what the original one looked like. So you can see this is exactly what I had there. There was an old design for SafeAssign, so this is the old one if you're used to dealing with that. But since this is new for us, most of us probably have never dealt with the old one before. So that's what it looks like. If you have questions, I will certainly try to answer those questions. If I don't know the answer, I will research it and we will go from there.